Cloud Identity Aware Proxy, or Cloud IAP, is a resource that can be used to set up authentication to HTTPS-based applications without the use of VPNs. Following an overview of Cloud IAP, you'll complete a lab where you'll get a user authentication setup using Cloud IAP. Cloud IAP lets you establish a central authorization layer for applications over TLS, so you can use application-level access control models instead of relying on network-level firewalls. Applications and resources protected by Cloud IAP can only be accessed through the proxy by users and groups with the correct Cloud IAM role. The proxy provides a layer of protection between the outside world and your internal service. When you grant a user access to an application or resource by Cloud IAP, they're subject to the fine-grained access controls implemented by the product in use without the requirement to use a VPN. Cloud Identity Aware Proxy performs authentication and authorization checks when a user tries to access a Cloud IAP secured resource. Cloud IAP secures authentication and authorization of external requests via TLS. Cloud IAP doesn't protect against activity inside your VM, such as if someone had accessed the virtual machine via SSH. Cloud IAP also doesn't protect against activity within a project, such as VM to VM communication within your project over the local network. In this lab, you'll build a minimal web application with App Engine and explore ways to use Cloud IAP to restrict access to the application and provide user identity information to it. The objectives of the lab are for you to write and deploy a simple Google App Engine application using Python, enable and disable Cloud Identity Aware Proxy to restrict access, retrieve identity information from Cloud Identity Aware Proxy into your application, and finally, verify that the information from Cloud IAP is protected from spoofing. After completing the lab, you'll be presented with a walkthrough of the lab solution. This will identify any areas of complexity and highlight key learning points.